Hello friends, I am Ekta Mishra, Faculty of Science from Shri Rawatpura Sarkar University. Today I am going to deal with the topic ecological niche. In this, first of all, we deal with the ecology. What is ecology? Ecology is the study of interactions between organisms and their environments, which comprise of ecosystem. The places organisms live in are called its habitat. What is environment? The surrounding or conditions in which a person's, animals or plants live is called its environments. There are two factors of environment, biotic factors and abiotic factors. Biotic factors involves living beings, living things, and abiotic factors involve non-living things. Here, there is a difference between biotic factor and abiotic factor. The living part of an ecosystem is called biotic components, for example, plants, animals, birds, fungi, etc. And the non-living parts of an ecosystem are called abiotic factor. For example, sunlight, temperature, water, soil, etc. Now, what is ecological niche? The role and positions of an species in its environment is called ecological niche. An ecological niche, in contrast, is the ecological role of an organism plays within its habitat. The ecological niche describes how a species interacts within an ecosystem. The niche of a species depends on both biotic and abiotic factors, which affect the ability of a species to survive and endure. Here we take an example of ecological niche. An ecological niche is that, here we take an example of dung beetle. The dung beetle, as its name suggests, consume dung both in larval and adult form. Dung beetle stores dung balls in burrows and female lay eggs within them. This allows hatched larvae immediate access to food. The dung beetle in turn influences the surrounding environment by aerating soil and re-releasing beneficial nutrients. Therefore, the dung beetle performs a unique role in its environment. There are some factors which affect the ecological niche. This is energy, nutrition, timing of activity, what they eat, nest, conditions of temperature and moisture. Now, Hutchinson niche concept, a description of the ecological space occupied by a species. There are two types of ecological niche, fundamental niche and second one is realized niche. Fundamental niche focused on the conditions in which a species could exist with no ecological interaction. And realized niche, in contrast, considered the population's existence in the presence of interaction or competition. Here we can see the differences between fundamental niche and realized niche. Now, competitive exclusion principle. It is also called as Gauss's law because Georgy Gauss described this term. The definition of competitive exclusion is two species cannot occupy the same niche. First is competition for food and the second one is competition for habitat. Thank you.